Here we're going to learn how to use the text join function. This is really helpful if you want a way to go ahead and join several text strings together into one full column. I'll start here on cell C5. I'll say equal text join and tap it in. I have several arguments, but the basic ones are delimiter, ignore empty, and text1. 3 questions here. One is delimiter. What do I want to space out my text? A space, a comma. Since it's names, I'll go ahead and have a regular space, space them out, or be the delimiter. So I'll put in quotes a space with my space bar. Putting it in quotes because it's considered a text. Next is true or false. True to ignore empty cells, or false to include empty cells when concatenating. Let's put true to ignore those empty cells. Next is the text I want to go ahead and join together. I can join individual cells with text or a text range. I'll join these two right here. Close it out, push enter and copy it down. And here we have the text join function.